stay out the streets. Ain't nothing in the streets but jailhouse and graveyard.
Snug signing in. Go subscribe to Famous Ryan on YouTube. Nigga, believe that.
Walk around with a can on me. I got friends, but I'm still lonely. Shawty bad and she all on me.
I like fucking 24/8.
I'm out there checking up Jordan nasty. Bitches can't get it without us. You know they bad, but so what? I like so what? I like so what? I like so what? I like you like so what? So what? I don't care. So what? I don't care. No, they bad, but so what? I know a couple of hoes that never be sober. You showing the cash, you showing that bad, they finna be bending it over. She got a little mans, but she left exactly to you.
Oh shit. Damn. I started a vlog. Oh shit. I ain't even do my intro yet. I'm jigging and dancing like, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Famous Ryan. I'm back again with another video. And as I can see by the title, we will be indeed going to a car show. But right now is not the day we'll be going to the car show. This vlog will be full of eventful things. So make sure I stay tuned and just, yeah, enjoy the video. And I just want to start my vlog right now because what today's date is? Today is the 12th. Today is the 12th of September. And I'm going to catch y'all on the 21st. I just want to start my vlog right now so I can be ahead because I know how I like to vlog day to day. So with that being said, hope y'all enjoy this video. And I am currently, right now, I just got these shirts I just picked up and I'm thinking about styling them. These little thermals. Nigga. Do they call these thermals? Hold on, we finna do some research. Do they call these thermals? Hold up. Hold up. Hold up. They call these. What do they call these? What do they call these shirts? What do they call these shirts? Dress shirts, I guess. That's not what I thought you call them, but I just got these dress shirts and I'm about to style them. I'm adding my little touch to them. Y'all know how I cut most of my shirts. I'm adding my touch to them. That's beside the point. No, they do not. I am all the way wrong. Like I said, hope y'all enjoyed this video. This video will be full of eventful things, so make sure y'all stay tuned and yeah. Enjoy the video, and I will catch y'all boys the 21st. Make sure you like this video and comment and subscribe. We're on the road to 5K subscribers. I still haven't forgot my goal. So make sure y'all like this video, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch y'all boys later. Matter of fact, no, I'm not going to catch y'all later because it's fitter today. We go, this sweater that I got, y'all can't see my bottoms, but I got on some black pants. I got y'all on the tripod right now, so I can't even show y'all my black pants. I got on some slight today. Nothing major. But with that being said, like I said, I'm going to catch y'all later.
Hold your phones up, tell my alcoholic bitches go put your Patron out and pull me down. I do not give a fuck about your song. Like, you'll be okay, girl, I see you tomorrow. I found your IG, you ain't give me no follow. And give me your heart, so I had to come borrow it. You're a pain reliever. I just might die when I see you, no. No one know how you like me. Baby, just give me the healing line. I got your order, but you ain't have to tell me all the lies. Baby, just put your bottles in the sky. Watch your pain drip away. It be gone on delay. Get it going right away. You'll be okay. I feel your anxiety, even though you keep it in quietly. I understand you entirely. Does that make you proud of me? Hold your phones up, tell my alcoholic bitches go put your Patron out and pull me down. I do not give a fuck about your sorrow. Like, you'll be okay, girl, I see you tomorrow. I found your IG, you ain't give me no follow. And give me your heart, so I had to come borrow it. I just want the highlight, baby, sitting side by side. I never
we gonna tell that nigga come back. Yeah, still. That bitch clean. Take him to the video, bro. Hold on, the vlog going right now. Take him to the video, bro. You ain't even been on the vlog in a little bit. You loaded. Oh, still. You loaded.
Nah, I'm lying.
You loaded. What you mean you loaded? Who you out here with?
My brother.
Where he is? Oh, is it right there? So what that bitch trick got going on? What up, bro? I'm alright. Sit with that. Huh? Man, bro, say to my video right quick.
Man, what up, you hear me? It's D2 time in this bitch.
Hold on, do that bitch out.
Hey, it's D2 time in this bitch here, man. You see me in the video all here, man. I'm riding around in the drop here, man. You better watch your bitch here, man.
Where your shit at? Where your shit at?
Over there.
Oh, you supposed to be head first in this bitch. You ain't got no beat in your shit?
It's okay, it's okay. You see my shit right there? It's on the road. You see it?
Yeah.
You see it?
Hey, that's what up, man. That's what up. Sam.
Hey, what up?
Ooh. I just hosted this session, man.
We trying to go talk about hooping this session tomorrow, nigga.
Where?
Anywhere. Fuck it. Make
Man,
one.
Cooper.
Make us some sense.
Cooper Road. We can do it tomorrow. Come on, let's do it.
Alright, just hit us up, bro.
Man, what's your Instagram?
Hit him up, bro.
Oh, I'm tripping.
Yeah, bro. Fuck with me, though.
Damn.
Be easy, though.
Yeah.
I need your new number, dude.
Huh?
I need your new number.
Well, I ain't
Brother
even,
had your last shit.
I ain't even do my intro. I just been out here recording.
How long you been out
Come
here?
on, shit. Damn near all day.
Shit, no. We been out here since like 9.
Oh, no, I ain't been out there that long. I got out here like, I think 1.
I did it 9 to 5.
Oh, we really been out here 9 to 5?
Yeah, man.
Y'all been out here a long ass time.
That's this nigga, son.
Man, shit at him, man.
I seen Ted out here and all, man.
What? I know you smell that shit on me, son.
Shit knows.
I don't know
I don't smell that shit. Hey, y'all, I ain't even do my real intro. Y'all just been out here vlogging. I know y'all seen that content before this. I just been out here vlogging. How about it?
Yeah,
Oh, y'all do.
I mean, that bitch gets all content.
Y'all be in that second hand. Y'all just be sitting in the car.
Yeah, I don't be thinking it. I don't care what
I don't even smoke for real.
I pulled up my fucking spam, nigga think I smoke. Lying my ass off.
Hey, nigga, so I smoke. I don't do no type of drug. I don't do no type of drug.
Lying my ass off. Hey, you know what this is? I'm gonna hit this one.
Hey, but they said in the car wash. I know y'all seen it before this. Y'all just seen it in this whole clip. They just had the car wash. I ain't want to vlog nothing else. That shit. Who that be? Like I said, I ain't want to vlog nothing else because like it was boring. But the car wash just started. So I'm gonna just give y'all that content, let y'all see that. But today I'm gonna catch y'all in a little minute. I'm gone.
This deluxe is all cap. This shit is not real.
Alright, so I just met these random ass niggas. Well, not a random ass nigga, this is the YouTuber right here. Bro, shout your shit out, man.
My shit. D-Rock 2
He's
times.
in the camera, bro.
D-Rock 2 times.
D-Rock 2 times. Fuck with you on what? YouTube and what?
Instagram, man, YouTube, man.
And all that shit y'all probably can't hear.
You gotta drop my shit on the screen, brother.
What's all that hey, what's all that shit you talking, bitch? Talk about a fucking stain, bitch. Cut that bitch off, sir. Let me hear something.
I ain't got no you better drop the roof. I ain't got no pipes like that, bro.
Don't take me straight pipe this bitch or something? He ain't do none of that. Sorry, Ali, he ain't do none of that.
You know that bitch, bro. I know you smell that nigga.
Put the right on and knock that shit out.
We're having this shit, man. Young.
Shout your shit out, man.
Instagram and shit.
Yo.
Just soon, real soon, video.
Glad, bro. Man, what you talking about, son? You chatting, come here talking about.
Get your hair, man. How you feeling?
Talking about you a YouTuber, bitch. Man, you chatting, son. You ain't talking about nothing. D, what you chatting about, son? He ain't. How y'all chatting, man? Y'all ain't on nothing for real. Well, you gonna let me slide this bitch, bro?
What?
Straight pop your shit and let me slide this bitch.
You know how to slide?
Fucking right, nigga.
Stop sliding.
Nigga, I done slid a skate.
You be stuck?
I barely did it. Like I did it, but I barely did it. Type shit.
And that nigga did a donut, like, not right here, but like in the neighborhood, like,
What, you to drop some bread?
Oh, no, this got too close to this.
I still smell that shit in here, son. Huh?
I still smell that shit in there, bro.
You that gas?
Say some shit, bitch ass nigga. This bitch don't take pictures. This is a video. It's a vlogging camera. Yeah, vlog, bitch.
That bitch flip that bitch up. Stop playing with him. I'm not one of them. You hear me? I wish my daughter was out here.
Bang. What's your daughter's name, bitch?
Diamond, you hear me?
Nah, that's my ex name. You come get in the camera, bitch.
Diamond got a fat ass. But I ain't
Got in my bag, just in my bag hard.
I like that bitch. That boy.
And I got a stick. And I got a stick. And I got a stick.
I got stick in this bitch. I got a bottle of water.
And I got my stick. And I got my stick.
That bitch still rolling?
Yeah. But all you gotta do is just pick up the camera and record, bro. So they gonna fuck with it. Phone or not.
I'm already knowing.
Phone or not.
Man, you gotta, I gotta go get one of them bitches.
You don't need no camera. I ain't have a camera.
Hey, look at Snug over there. Go get this right. Man, go dick right there, nigga.
Snug ain't over there.
Yes, he is in the middle. I know you see his big head ass right there. Go dick right there, nigga.
Come on, let go.
You see the type of YouTube he really is.
Y'all scared? Come on, let go.
Come on with you. I gotta fuck with my shit. You know I'm really yeah like that, man.
You yeah, and they ain't trying to record. So you supposed to be recording right now. You supposed to be recording right now. You gotta just record. You supposed to be recording right now. All you gotta do. Hey, hold this.
Some random shit gonna happen if you just pick yours to the back.
Don't worry.
Walking around.
I like that shit. Hey, bro. Man,
I think I'm out of breath. Hold on.
Boy, they about to pull him out that bitch.
What happened? Hauling ass.
That nigga hit that bitch.
I want to go, boy.
Boy, you gotta make it to the interstate. I wouldn't hit that bitch no boy.
Hey, bro, so you wanna take a picture right quick?
Come on.
Hey, bro, you wanna take our picture?
I want my mama to call y'all.
Hold on.
Let me just find out you turned it off because the voltage low. You know Black gonna play all night.
Look. Hey,
Huh?
hey, look, Snoop. Look. Hey, listen to me. Fuck with your stats. Say subscribe to Famous Ryan.
Subscribe to who?
Famous Ryan on YouTube.
Famous Ernal?
Famous Ryan on YouTube.
Famous Ryan.
Yeah.
Hey, look, that bitch recording? Hey, nigga, know what the fuck going on? This Snug signing in. Go subscribe to Famous Ryan on YouTube, nigga.
Yo.
Believe that.
Yo. Appreciate it, bro.
That ain't no thing.
Yo. That's how you do that, bro.
Post this shit straight on TikTok. He posting that straight on
Say
TikTok.
no, look. All you got, that's all it takes, bro. Just go talk to him.
That's a clip.
And he's scary ass in the car. Get the fuck out the car, nigga. Get the fuck out the car, nigga. Get the fuck out the car, dick. Now, what you got to say now, bitch?
You didn't even see what he just did.
What you got to say now, bitch? What you got to?
And that ain't no bitch.
What you got to say now, bitch?
Come on with that.
What's that, nigga? What you got to say now, hoe ass nigga?
That sexy red
Hey,
off.
bitch. Hey, he from my city, bitch.
Man, fuck your city.
Hey, bitch. Hey, what?
That dirty rat.
Where you from, bitch? Where you from? You from that rat guy?
1003, you hear me?
What?
Platinum man, you hear me?
Man, cuz. Hey, I ain't even from the hood. I'm from the suburbs, bitch. I was spoiled all my life.
I look at you.
Yeah.
You got diamonds in your ears. This bitch got a dicky suit on, Tim. It's 100 degrees outside. This bitch got a dicky suit on, y'all. Man, get the fuck
Type
out of
shit. Bro, you gotta get it how you live, bro. Get it how you live.
Airstone ass nigga.
Where you from this bitch?
Oh, you gotta get it how you
That bitch got a
live, bro.
G-Shock on. Oh my god.
Bitch is too long, boy. Hey, look at her, bitch. Ain't no fucking G-Shock, nigga. Hold on, bitch. Hold my water, bitch. He trying to joke. It's too long, bitch. Hold on. Wait till that bitch focus. Hold on. Yo. Hold on, bitch.
It's Apple, bitch. Stop playing, bitch.
Fuck that, put, hey, bitch, my phone Apple. Wait, and my shit red. What?
Bitch, I
And my shit red.
watch red, bitch.
Man, hey, y'all, he trying to stun on me, son. He trying to, like, fake trying to
Man,
put
we
his
all gotta
foot
come up
down.
here. We some black niggas trying to make it, Jim, but we gonna do it
Well,
one
your
day.
car dusty as fuck. Let me wash your shit.
I just walked like
Now I got a crackhead that'll get your shit right for $5.
No,
Clean.
where the fuck he at?
Clean.
inside out.
Stay by me. Yes, everywhere. Clean.
Was capping.
I swear to God. I swear to God, $5. There you go, get your shit right.
Where the fuck he at?
Hey, no, but you gotta watch me steal from me. You gotta
He
watch
steal
it.
from me.
Huh?
Yeah.
Pull up on me.
With that vlog right there, we gonna get them hoes, bro.
Right.
With yours this short, funny looking ass.
I
we gonna get them hoes, boy. This tonight gonna be funny as a bitch. Let's go.
I get them without this.
But I come get you, short ass.
Without any of this on, I get them.
I come get you.
I'm like that.
Talk about you get hoes ass.
I'm like that. I
I get a picture of my dick swinging. What you mean? Balls hanging, boy. Fuck, I get a picture.
You can see your shit out rips on you. Can't be doing that, man.
Oh shit.
Look at you. I got another one, bitch. Let it go.
I got another. Hey, the police acting like a bitch, so they about to go come down here and give a nigga a ticket. That was going fast right there. He was about to hit the police. Seen his ass. I think he back there. The police watching him. He a bitch. He falling that boy.
See, look. Oh, I caught him. You ain't recording, bitch. Where your phone at, bro? What you doing? What you doing? What you doing?
He not right. He not dedicated.
All he gotta do is record, son.
He not
Oh,
dedicated,
you don't even
bro.
gotta do nothing.
I wouldn't say I'm not
They gonna watch
dedicated,
the
bro.
game.
I just told him
But that boy be crashing out. Y'all really watch him. Like,
Tomorrow,
oh my fucking God, bro.
Hit that boy. That boy's a fucking crash.
That boy really be crashing.
On the game or basketball? Son?
Both.
no,
Boy, you better not let him lose.
Say, what you play?
Boy, y'all better not lose by
What you play?
2K and shit, cause you know, dribble guide and shit, and I got a green.
You play 2K and shit?
Fuck the
No
game.
gamer no more.
I'm waiting on Black Ops 6 though. I ain't played the game in so long.
Man, look how he dicked out. He going down there and fuck with dude, man. He really blocked the dude. That nigga cold.
That boy's get my fucking water out.
What you saying?
Come talk shit.
You gotta move around that little ass bag. Pull it out. Pull it out. Bitch, you better stop playing foul.
You're right, bitch.
You better stop playing foul. Put it on the picture chain. You better stop playing foul. Put him on a picture chain, you heard me? I got that bitch shaking
It's a fucking circle chain, asshole.
These dumbass niggas.
It's a fucking circle chain.
Niggas talking about they want to put me on a circle chain. Bitch, I got your shit printed out already. Fuck wrong with the nigga, man.
Yo, man.
Man, take your picture right now.
Nigga is funny as a bitch.
That is a circle chain right there.
It's a circus.
I got one of them bitches, man. I don't want everybody got them.
Nigga said, that boy asked me this morning, what y'all call him?
Man, that's a fucking picture chain. Y'all talking about circle chain. Fuck wrong with the boy. This a circle. Fucking picture.
They got the big bitch. Where you got your...
Where you got that other shit from? I think that hot.
Hit me up. You gotta text me if you on my
That bitch
song.
take like
that shit on a daily, like
that bitch just like
Nigga, I want hot shit.
Thanksgiving or something.
You on my song.
Some of them have on some baggage shit though.
Hey, you wanna go down there tonight?
Hey, and I got all the drip for cheap. All the drip I'm talking about. Hellstar, Spider, Louis V, Dior, everything. I got all the drip. Just hit my Instagram up, man.
I can't see it. That bitch too close.
Man, just hit my
Man, you
fucking
tall as a
Instagram
bitch.
up, man. I am tall as fuck.
Man, look. I'm a freak ass nigga, you hear me? Nigga. I like fucking 24/8, you hear me? If you think you can hang in the bed with me,
Look, hey.
hit me up, you hear me? At
Hey,
DC time.
boy. You just got slapped.
Boy.
You just got slapped.
And you just got whacked.
You just got slapped.
You gonna demonetize the fuck out this dude talking about I want fuck 24/7.
Hey, they ain't here because you got slapped.
Hey, what you mean if you got slapped? You gonna slap some movers,
You
man.
got slapped. Take my fucking water bottle, bitch.
That ass perfect, baby.
That's a fresh bottle, boy. You tripping.
Let me stop. Hey, hey, hold on. Don't let it.
Y'all about that. Fuck the police. Say it out loud.
Who?
Fuck 12.
Oh, I'm not living like that.
You not?
I'm from the suburbs, dude.
Yeah, your daddy do got money.
I'm fucking
Your mama whoop that
My
ass.
daddy got bread, bro.
You not from the suburbs.
You whipping
But your daddy ain't got big. You got a car belt on.
His shit. Right now.
You got his daddy belt on.
Fucking suburbs. Watch him just pull up tonight. That boy's not in the fucking suburbs.
You got when you pull up there.
We ain't finna pull up in a fucking hood.
No, nigga, you stay in the hood.
My bag hard as a
He
bitch.
not far from me. This nigga like 8 minutes from me. Like,
We went to school together, bro.
this nigga not far from
Man, it
me.
really don't matter, bro.
Oh,
It really don't matter.
I ain't catch.
They want to shoot the free out here.
Hold it, son.
You want to catch it?
Down, son. What you getting?
House is free.
What up, son?
I pull your little ass dress
What
in
up,
the air.
I can't even hear you. Get in there. What up?
What is that?
How you gonna do his
Get
stuff?
in that. Get in
What the
there.
hell?
Get in that.
Aquaman. Man, that bitch got on Tim's. It's 100 degrees outside.
Yeah,
Tim the daily, bro.
Stop playing.
Matter of fact, son.
you get that audio and that compressor.
You be putting that shit on? Stop.
Every day.
Yeah, bro. Wait, let me see some shit. you got the bag?
The one I'm using right now, you bullshit.
Hey, we got the bag.
I'm not finna keep.
Hey, what you got in the bag? The shirt?
Licking that fuck.
You got a shirt in there?
What you got in the bag?
Hey, the real time I'm trying to drop it.
Yeah, that video hard though. You gonna come out with every color or just one color?
One color right now.
Man, fuck all that one color.
After that, I'm gonna drop a.
You gonna come out with one color with 5 shirts?
Yeah,
How many shirts you gonna come out with?
5.
Oh, 5?
More for the nigga.
Your name is Lil J?
Oh, no neck J, bitch.
Oh, man. Nah. We're back. Good fucking race,
What time it is?
Ain't time for you to go though. Cheese sticks real good, you heard?
I got all the reselling shit to here, man. Just hit my number.
Cheese sticks real good.
Hey, tell me how many times you got slapped up. You gotta listen to the vlog, man. The vlog, man. Hey, this dude I called in the video, he ain't answer. Tell him he answered the phone, bro.
I was occupied, bro.
He was occupied. He called you 3 times.
Caked up, man. Cake, man.
Oh,
Yeah, you really love one right now. Cake right now, bro.
My heart, you be safe, my heart. And it's my biggest supporter, bro.
Big supporter, man.
Yeah. All right, my heart.
Hold your phones up, tell my alcoholic bitches go put your Patron out and pull me down. I do not give a fuck about your sorrow. Like you be okay, girl, I see you tomorrow. I found your IG, you ain't give me no follow. And give me your heart, so I had to come borrow it. You're a pain reliever. I just might die when I see you, no. Don't wanna hold you, I mean it. Baby, just give me the healing light. I bet your aura anemics, but you ain't have to tell me all the lies. Baby, just put your bottles in the sky. Watch your pain drip away. It be gone on delay. Get it gone right away. You'll be okay. I feel your anxiety, even though you keep it in quietly. I understand you entirely. Does that make you proud of me? Hold your phones up, tell my alcoholic bitches go put your Patron out and pull me down. I do not give a fuck about your sorrow. Like you be okay, girl, I see you tomorrow. I found your IG, you ain't give me no follow. And give me your heart, so I had to come borrow it. I just want the highlight, Billy sitting side by side. I never cared the way she talk. I wanna be with you, but wait on the line. This don't feel right, I can't even hide my pride. I can't even live my life if I ain't got no eyes. Just like Playboy Cardi, I can't even try my eyes. I can't see no more. I can't breathe no more. I can't hear no more, but I got these bands galore. I jump out my body, I might take another dose. Hold a double cup with a cold heart. I be floating in my liver dead, you can't save me. Just make sure you gotta hold your phones up. Tell my alcoholic bitches go put your Patron out and pull me down. I do not give a fuck about your sorrow. Like you be okay, girl, I see you tomorrow. I found your IG, you ain't give me no follow. And give me your heart, so I had to